coming off the head.
Yeah.
Like your girl, she do it. She ain't scared.
Yeah.
She put the neck with the side work. She suck dick till her neck hurt.
What's up, world? This is J.O.N, Grammy-winning producer and musical director for the 85 South show. And this is another beat breakdown. Y'all showed so much love on the Chance the Rapper and Karlous Freestyle video that I had to come back and show you how I made the beat. The song is called Flex. It's on all streaming platforms on the J.O.N Type Beat album. And this is the breakdown. This was a sound I had in Logic that I played. I wanted a A part and a B part, so I came up with this section. So now we got the two different sections. We got to have two different drum programs, right? So let's start with the first one. Ooh. See the call and response with the hat and the snare. The hat and snare communicating, not talking over each other, but having a conversation. Call and response. Communicating. And so the second half drum program. Just snare. Woo. Now we bring in the hat and the bounce. And then back to the next section. Woo. You know me, I like weird sounds in the background. This is one of them. Another thing that we didn't mention was the 808. And there's like a synth line in the background, but you know, those things are just spices, right? The meat of this is the melody sound that I played in the beginning and the bounce. It's all about the bounce, right? And that's one thing FL does really well, that bounce. Yeah. So then, in context, once again, I am J.O.N, and this is the beat breakdown for Flex from the Chance the Rapper and Karlous Miller freestyle. One of Karlous' best freestyles, by the way. He was in his bag that day for sure. Appreciate you tuning in. More to come. Peace.